Which of the following is not a fundamental force in nature? A. Gravitational force. B. Electromagnetic force. C. Nuclear strong force. D. Centripetal force. And the answer is D. Centripetal force. Question No. 2. What is the SI unit of electric current? A. Volts. B. Amperes. C. Ohms. D. Watts. And the answer is B. Amperes. Question No. 3. In the periodic table, which element has the atomic number 6? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. And the answer is B. Carbon. Question No. 4. Which organelle is responsible for producing ATP in eukaryotic cells? A. Nucleus. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Mitochondria. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. And the answer is C. Mitochondria. Question No. 5. What is the chemical formula for glucose? A. C6H2O6. B. CO2. C. H2OD NH3. And the answer is A. C6H2O6. Question No. 6. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. And the answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question No. 7. What is the process by which plants convert sunlight into chemical energy? A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Fermentation. D. Osmosis. And the answer is A. Photosynthesis. Question No. 8. Which subatomic particle is responsible for chemical bonding between atoms? A. Proton. B. Neutron. C. Electron. D. Photon. And the answer is C. Electron. Question No. 9. What is the SI unit of pressure? A. Newton. B. Pascal. C. Joule. D. Watt. And the answer is B. Pascal. Question No. 10. Which of the following is a non-metal element that exists as a diatomic molecule at room temperature? A. Hydrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Sodium. D. Calcium. And the answer is B. Oxygen. Question No. 11. Which law of motion states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction? A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. C. Newton's third law. D. Law of conservation of mass. And the answer is C. Newton's third law. Question No. 12. What is the main function of the red blood cells in the human body? A. Transport of oxygen. B. Digestion. C. Filtration of blood. D. Production of antibodies. And the answer is A. Transport of oxygen. Question No. 13. Which gas is responsible for the blue color of the Earth's sky? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Ozone. And the answer is B. Nitrogen. Question No. 14. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Go. B. GDC. AU. D. AG. And the answer is C. AU. Question No. 15. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Lungs. D. Skin. And the answer is D. Skin. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Your support means the world to me, and I truly appreciate you being a part of my community. If you enjoyed this content, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel for more similar videos, and hitting that notification bell so you never miss an update.